Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Google Japan. Today I'm going to share with you the absolute strongest feature of NotebookLM.
Yes, I was waiting for that.
Yes, over the last month, my slide creation process has improved dramatically for my own work. I now use Google Slides combined with either Banana or NotebookLM slide feature for almost all my presentations. Wow!
Are you serious? Before we need to take so much time making presentations.
Yes.
But you said you already changed all the flow now.
Change everything. So starting tomorrow, I want you to stop making presentation slides the old-fashioned way. To help you do that, I'm sharing some really great information today. Let's get started. First, take a look at this. I'll simply add some text into Google Slides. It's about speech script for year-end party, my own company. So then there's a Nano banana icon at the bottom designed to beautify this slide. So clicking it easily creates a design for me. Wait a minute. Like this. This is made from Nano banana.
Whoa, just pushing one button?
Yes, only push the button. Apart from that, if you input things like your business concept or onboarding content into NotebookLM, you can create new slides. So it will generate multiple slide documents for you. This time I'd like to input the speech draft for the year-end party like this. Yes, this is the speech script. Yeah, like this. So I insert this document and I click slide deck. So you can see this amazing slide, Naruto.
Okay.
Like this. Like this.
Wait a minute. NotebookLM just got great. I didn't saw this couple of months before.
Yes, like this. Wow.
It seriously improved a lot.
Yes. When creating slides, if you select the language like this and include instruction on what to focus on or notes to keep in mind, you can create materials that better match your preferences. It's so nice feature. So here's something you need to be careful about it. The output generated this way in Google Slides or NotebookLM isn't directly editable as standard slide elements. So you usually have to paste them into your slides as images. I often paste them into slides. If I want to change the text, I select the shape, use the eyedropper tool to match the background color to cover the old text, and then add the corrected text over it. Let me introduce the actual workflow I use. First, briefly write down the content of the material I want to create, like this. Okay, so define the text by conversing with Gemini. Copy this and open the NotebookLM. Create new notebook and copy the text here and insert. So paste the text content into NotebookLM to generate slides. So I choose slide deck and generate. Paste the image data into the final slides via screenshots like this. Okay. So I repeat this. Like this. Repeat this. Okay. For content I want to add, I create a new page in Google Slides, put in simple content and use Nano Banana Pro to improve the visual appearance, like this, okay? So we want to expand into the US in the future and open 500 stores globally. So I click beautify this slide. Like this. This is same color, same tone.
That's true. Actually, you only added 2 lines in there, and Gemini, well, the slides create itself exactly with the same tone as the other pages you have.
Yes, this is great point. Wow, Nano Banana Pro, thank you so much.
Honestly, when Nano Banana Pro was released, I was feeling it's like a joke.
Yes.
But now I'm getting serious how it will change our lives.
Yeah, so look at it. The font color is the same and the background color is same. It's very convenient because it generates slide imagery that matches the context of the slides before and after it. So besides that, utilizing NotebookLM's infographic feature creates an overview of your slide content. This is also useful. So just put this created slide into NotebookLM and press infographic to get a summarized document. NotebookLM, okay? Create a new notebook and the drive. So select Kuka Japan slide we just made and insert. Now you choose infographic. Detailed. Okay, detailed. Okay, landscape, portrait, landscape. Generate. So let's see. Maze Cooker turn around. Wow. This is summary infographic. Wow. Maze Cooker's turn around from surviving to a new starting line.
Interesting. Actually, it's divided in 3 sections. The now, before, and future.
Future. So I use this summary and copy and paste it like this. Wow.
Nissy, I don't need to create any slides.
Yes, exactly. Oh my god. Okay. So I think it would be great to use it as a summary of your materials using infographic of NotebookLM. So how was that? This is seriously powerful step. Starting tomorrow, please try using NotebookLM slide feature and Google Slides Nano Banana Pro feature to drastically cut down your slide creation time. Naruto, any comment?
Yes, actually, I'm pretty sure that this will dramatically change the life for so many people. And we can spend more time considering what the content we should create and not to beautify the slide.
Yes, so if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.